Crazy Medieval History, Part 16. Bless you, it's divine. It was a common belief that sneezing could be an omen or a sign from the divine. People thought that the soul momentarily left the body during a sneeze, making the moment significant. As a result, there was a superstition that saying "God bless you" after someone sneezed would protect them from evil spirits entering their body during this vulnerable moment. This tradition, rooted in medieval superstitions, has persisted to the present day in many cultures. Subscribe for more.